Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about the Vanilla Visa eGift card, and more specifically I'm going to show you how to register a zip code to use with your Vanilla Visa eGift card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, I want to let you know this is completely separate than the Vanilla Visa plastic gift cards that you buy at like Target or Walmart. This is the eGift version, so you buy this on their website. Once you buy this on their website, then they email you a card like what I have right here. Once you get that card in your inbox, you can usually use it at most places that accept debit Visa, either online or over the phone. You cannot use these cards in store unless the person's going to manually enter in your debit Visa card number. And when you use these cards online, many retailers ask for a billing address for this particular card. So I want to let you know you actually don't need a billing address for this card, but you do need to register a zip code. And how do you do that? Well, on your email confirmation from Vanilla Visa eGift card, they send you a picture of the card, as you can see right here. And then also you can switch it over by clicking on this red button to see the back of the card. Let me go ahead and do that now. All right, so here is the back of the card right here. And on the back of the card, you can see there is a toll-free number and then also the website. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. So you can go to that website or call that phone number in order to register a zip code with this Vanilla gift card. And the third way that you can go ahead and register a zip code on the card is by the email confirmation that you received once you got your Vanilla Visa eGift card. Let me switch over to my email confirmation now. All right guys, I went ahead and switched over to my Vanilla Visa eGift card confirmation screen. So this is the email that I received confirming that I have a $10 virtual gift card from Vanilla. If you want to go ahead and register your zip code, this is an easy process. You just click on the button, view and print this card. I'm going to click there now. All right guys, I went ahead and switched over to my desktop so it's a little easier to film with. But once you click on the email confirmation screen, then it automatically brings you to your account. So this is probably the easiest way to register a zip code on your Vanilla Visa gift card. As you can see right here, it's easy to see. Once you scroll down, it's this button called Assign Zip Code. I'm gonna click there. All right, once you click there, then you can go ahead and add a zip code. I've already added a zip code, as you can see right here. If you haven't done that yet, you just click on Edit Zip Code, click there, and then you can go ahead and choose your zip code, just type it in. It doesn't really matter which zip code you use, they just use it for confirmation. So you can use any zip code you want, but you might want to use your particular zip code, that way it's easy to remember. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Save. I'm going to click Save now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked Save, and now my zip code is registered with the Vanilla Visa eGift card. So this is an alternative and easier way than looking at the back of the card or calling the phone number, but you can do either one of those. And also a quick note, once you've added the zip code, that is the only information you can change on your Vanilla Visa eGift card, just the zip code. As far as the name goes, go ahead and use whatever name you want. It's nothing that's going to be verified, but you might want to use your name, and that way the retailer can easily pull up your order at a later date if necessary. Same thing with the address. Not really a big deal what that is put in when you're placing the order on Nike.com or Amazon.com or whatever. The zip code is the main piece of information for this Vanilla Visa eGift card. So there you have it. That's how you register a zip code for your Vanilla Visa eGift card. This is the virtual Vanilla Visa gift card, not the plastic version. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.